Today we're ready to make our wet brine for our, bear with me because this is a lot to say in one word, fermented jalapeno ginger beer Caribbean jerk canned chicken that we are going to smoke in the SmokinTex smoker. For our liquids, we are going to have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of soy, a 1/2 cup of OJ, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of our jalapeno ginger beer that we fermented and made. And then we are going to juice 1 lime. For our spices, we're going to go with a teaspoon each of ground nutmeg, ground allspice, ground cinnamon, and dried thyme. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Peppers, you can throw them in whole. Jalapenos, we're going to go with 2 habaneros, 4 jalapenos. You can put them in whole too, just pull that off. 1 small red onion cut into quarters. 4 green onions, roots trimmed off, just cut in half. And that is it. We will grind this up. Always scrape down your bowl. We have our poultry bag. Got a little container to kind of hold it in. Got our chicken, got our wet brine. We'll put this in there for 24 hours. Tomorrow we will be ready for it to smoke on the SmokinTex. There you have it. Shake that around there a little bit. Then if you want, every couple hours, you can go in and flip it. When you do your chicken, tuck your wing in. Come around here on the side, poke your hole right there. Take your wing, stick it in.